Good morning, dear students. As you have seen, two lectures of mine. One is an active voice and passive voice, and another one is pronoun. Today, I have come back with another aspect of English grammar, that is job application writing. After completion of our education, so we need a job, or we will be in search of a job. After finding or after seeing an advertisement in so and so newspapers, so we will write an application job to the given address. So here today we discuss 2 to 3 examples of job application writing. See, look at this one example. The same question will be asked in exam. This will be for 5 marks in exam. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in the Hindu dated 2nd February 2020. So this will be the advertisement wanted. So this advertisement is given in the Hindu newspaper dated 22nd February 2020. Wanted: Prerana Pre-University College, Dharwad invites application from qualified individuals for the posts of lecturer in biology. Apply within 10 days to the Secretary, Prerana Education Trust, Dharwad, pin code 585 Candidate with experience and good communication skills will be given preference. This will be the advertisement you come across, seen in the newspaper, and write name as XXX and address as YYY. Same or like this question you will be now asked in the exam. So that now we will write an application for the post of lecturer in biology. So writing an application is two types of application writing will be there. What is application? Application is a letter or document which consists complete information of the candidate. So we will begin an application writing by from address, that is XXX. This is as they have given in the question, that name should be XXX and address should be YYY. So this is from address. We need not to write from. That is understood that XXX is the name of the candidate and YYY is the address of the candidate. Next we should write 6th February 2020. The date which appeared in the newspaper, that advertisement date was 2nd February 2020. We are writing this application on 6th February 2020 because they asked us to apply this application within 10 days. So this first is from address, second one is date, third one is to the address to whom we should write an application. The Secretary Prerana Education Trust, Dharwad, 585005. So this is from address to whom we should write an application. Next, after this, we should begin a letter by opening salutation. We say that greeting, that is respected sir or madam, and after opening salutation we should write subject. The subject shows that what your letter contains. Subject is an application for the post of lecturer in biology. In biology. So next, after subject, we should write reference. The reference which we have seen, reference which we have come across in the newspaper, your advertisement. Your advertisement appeared in the Hindu, dated 2nd February 2020. This is the advertisement we have seen, we have come across in the Hindu newspaper, which dated 2nd February 2020. This is how. First one is from address, the person, the candidate, address and name. Second one is the date, on which date we are writing letter. Third one is to the address to whom we are writing letter. Then fourth one is opening salutation or greeting, respected sir or madam. Then subject, an application for the post of lecturer in biology. Reference is your advertisement appeared in the Hindu, the Hindu newspaper, dated 2nd February 2020. After this, we should write body of the letter. What is body of the letter? Body of the letter, gives complete information of yours. Then that begins in response to your advertisement. In response to your advertisement mentioned above. Already we have mentioned about the advertisement in reference. In response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of lecturer in biology. Next, I have completed my MSc from Karnataka University, Dharwad. Next year I passed my B.Ed from Government B.Ed College, Kalaburgi. After this, I have excellent communication skills, and I am fluent in Kannada and English language. I have completed my MSc from Karnataka University, Dharwad. Next year, I passed my B.Ed from Government B.Ed College, Kalaburgi. I have excellent communication skills and I am fluent in Kannada and English language. Besides, I have 3 years. Of experience as lecturer in SB College. This is what Besides, I have 3 years of experience as lecturer in SB College, worked as lecturer in SB College. I am looking forward for better chance, better opportunity to serve. Later, after this, we should write. If you want to write down, you can write down later. After this, I have enclosed my resume. I have enclosed my resume with this letter. I hope it will meet your requirement. It will meet your requirement. So this is the body of the letter, which gives the information of candidate's education and his experience, and later he attached his resume to the same application. Now after this, we should take leave taking reason. After body of the letter, we should take leave by saying thank you. So here we should not say thanking you, but you should say thank you. After, it will meet your requirement. Thank you. Then yours faithfully. Here, after this, you should write XXX as the name of the candidate. Here we should have signature. Then after this, as we have mentioned in the covering letter, this is called, till now whatever we have written, this is called covering letter. So covering letter, after this we should write resume or biodata. So after this we should write the form biodata or resume. Resume or biodata. Here, this resume or biodata contains the personal details of the candidate. Here, name of the candidate, XXX, then father's name, FFF, then date of birth, 26 July 1994. Next, nationality, of course, Indian. Languages known, Kannada, Hindi, English. So after this, name, father's name, date of birth, nationality, languages known, and permanent address. Same address will be XXX and YYY. So this is the resume. After this, again one more, that is educational qualifications. Till now, in this we covered the personal information of the candidate. Now we should write the educational qualification of the candidate. See next, educational qualifications. educational qualifications. So here educational qualifications, first one is name of the examination. Name of the examination. Next we have board, to write board or university. Board or university. Next, year of passing. Then we should write, then year of passing, marks or percentage. Later, in the last column we should write subject we studied. So name of the examinations, the first one is SSLC from KSEEB. Year of passing is 2000. (2010) marks 85%, subject Kannada, Hindi, English, social science, maths and science. Next one, PUC is PUED in the year of 2012 is 84%. Again same PCMB in Kannada. Next BSc, Bachelor of Science from KUD. Karnataka, KCD, Karnataka College of Dharwad, in the year of 2015, percentage is 91. Same here, CVZ. Next one, MSc from Karnataka University, Dharwad, 2017 with 80% in zoology. Last one, B.Ed. So Government B.Ed College, Kalburgi, year of 2018 is 70. Moral education and teaching methodology. So this is the complete information of educational qualifications. One is name of the examinations. We completed degrees, SSLC, PUC, BSc, MSc and B.Ed, and board or university. Next, year of passing, then marks or percentage, subject we studied. This is the educational qualification of the candidates. After this we should write other interests. Other interests or hobbies are like reading, writing, traveling, listening to music, So this is what. Now, other interests or hobbies. Later we should write the place and date. Place is Kalaburgi, date is 6th February 2020. So here SD XXX. So this is the complete. Now we have completed the job application writing. If you write this, so you will score 5 marks. So we discuss one more examples now. One more example we will discuss now. There is another advertisement appeared in write a letter of applications. So here directly I read it. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in the Indian Express dated 20 January 2020. This is another advertisement we have come across in the Indian Express. So the leading multinational company is looking out for talented and dynamic MBA graduates as for junior assistant. Now it could be any specialization to handle a unit at new location. Apply within a week with all details to the secretary, Pidilite Industries, plot number 2315, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So this is the advertisement we have come across it. We have seen in the Indian Express newspaper. See, today again same. It is from XXX, the name of the candidate, and YYY is the address of the candidate. As I said, the date of the advertisement is 20 January 2020. They asked to apply within a week. 24th January 2020. So next, to the address to whom we are writing the letter, it is the secretary or the chairman, Pidilite Industries, plot number 2315, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So here, so graduation, the qualification they asked is MBA. The candidate must complete master degree, that is MBA. Now first step is writing address of the candidate, name and address. Second one is date. Third one is to the address to whom we are writing letter. Next, as I said, that opening salutation or greeting, that is respected sir or madam. After this, as I said, that subject. After salutation, opening greeting, you should write subject, that is application for the post of junior assistant. Now after this we should write reference. Your advertisement appeared appeared in the Indian Express, dated, 20 January 2000. So this is the advertisement we have come across it in the Indian Express newspaper, which is dated on 20 January 2020. After this, as I said that we should write body of the letter. Same. In response to your advertisement, which as mentioned above, in response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of junior assistant. I have completed my MBA, Master of Business Administrator, my MBA from Central University of Karnataka with first class. Besides, I have excellent communication skills, communication and managing skills. I have good communication and managing skills. I have worked as junior assistant Jindal factory, Bethani, for 3 years or 5 years. So this is in response to your advertisement mentioned above. I am applying for the post of junior assistant. I have completed my MBA from Central University of Karnataka with first class. Besides, I have excellent communication and managing skills. I have worked as junior assistant Jindal factory, Ballari, and for 5 years. I have enclosed my resume with this letter. I hope it will meet your requirement. So this is the body of the letter. After this, we should take leave. As I said that after completion of the body of the letter, we should take leave. That is, thank you. Thank you. Yours sincerely, XXX. here signature. So after this, as we have just now mentioned in the covering letter, that we have enclosed our resume or biodata to the application or to the letter. Now we should write resume or biodata. Resume or biodata. Same it contains the personal information of candidate. Name is XXX and father's name FFF, date of birth 10 March 1992. Next, languages known, Kannada, Hindi, English, Telugu. So languages known by the candidates are Kannada, Hindi, English and Telugu, and later permanent address, the same XXX and YYY. So this is resume, or this is the personal information of the candidates. After this, as I said, that one more, educational qualifications. Educational qualifications. Name of the examination. Next, board or university. Next, year of passing. Next, we have marks or percentage. Write marks or percentage. Last one is subjects. Same here, SSLC and KSEEB. Year of passing is 2008. Marks 78%. Subject Kannada, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social Science. Next, PUC, PUED, year of 2010, 86% here. Business studies, accountancy, economics and computer science. Next, BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, that is from NB Degree College, year of 2013. Percentage is 88. Here also same, business studies, accountancies, management. Here last one, MBA, Master of Business Administration. So from CUK, Central University of Karnataka, in the year of 2005. So percentage is 83. So again, here saying HR management. So this is the complete information of the candidate, educational qualification of the candidate. After writing educational qualifications, as I said you that writing other interests or hobbies, other interests and hobbies, other interests and hobbies, like playing, writing, reading and listening to music. Last, experience worked as junior assistant at Jindal factory, Belgavi, for 5 years. After this, we should write place and date. Place is Kalaburgi and date is 24 January 2020. So here also same SD XXX. If you write in this way a job application, you secure 5 marks in the exam. So I hope you have understood job application writing. For another more topics of English grammar, we will see in next class. If you like the classes, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.